In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. If you've ever needed to look back at work that's already been finished, Microsoft Planner makes that pretty simple once you know where to find the right filter. This is useful when you want to review what has been completed, check progress on a plan, or confirm that a task was already done. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. This is the main board view where your tasks are organized, usually into different buckets or columns. Make sure you're inside the correct plan before moving on, especially if you manage more than one project. Starting from the board view is important because the filtering options we need are available there. Once you're on the plan board, look toward the top area of the screen and click Filters. This opens the filtering panel that lets you narrow down which tasks appear on the board. Filters are helpful because they allow you to focus on specific types of tasks without changing the tasks themselves. You're simply controlling what you see on screen. After the Filters panel is open, move your cursor to the Status section. Hovering over Status helps you locate the task state options available in Planner. This section is where Microsoft Planner separates tasks based on whether they haven't started, are in progress, are late, or have already been completed. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the filter panel carefully since the layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size. From there, click on Completed. As soon as you select it, Planner will update the board and show only the tasks that have been marked as completed. This gives you a cleaner view and makes it much easier to review finished work without getting distracted by tasks that are still active. If you ever want to return to the full task list, you can simply go back into Filters and clear that selection. That way, all tasks will appear again on your board. A quick tip before you finish: if you're using this view for reporting or review meetings, it can help to double check that no other filters are active at the same time. Otherwise, you may only see a partial list of completed tasks. And that's all it takes to view completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. Once you know where the filter is, it's a fast and reliable way to track finished work.